Most people get this wrong. They assume online pharmacies are risky or impersonal. The surprising truth is that Ro Pharmacy offers a convenient, safe, and doctor-led experience for common prescriptions and health needs. Here's my honest review. Ro is an online telehealth platform that combines virtual doctor consultations with prescription delivery. You start by creating an account, completing a short health questionnaire, and consulting with a licensed physician if needed. For example, I tested their platform for a simple prescription refill, and the process was seamless. One standout feature is convenience. You don't need to visit a clinic in person, and medications are delivered discreetly to your home, often in just a few days. Ro also provides reminders for refills, which helps maintain consistency with your treatment. Another thing most people miss is transparency. Ro clearly lists pricing, insurance options, and potential side effects, so you always know what you're getting. They also have licensed pharmacists available for questions, which adds a layer of trust. Pricing is competitive. While some medications may be slightly higher than local pharmacies, the convenience and telehealth support often outweigh the cost. For many, avoiding clinic visits and long lines is worth it. In conclusion, Ro Pharmacy is a reliable online platform that combines telehealth with prescription delivery. It's ideal for those looking for convenience, privacy, and trusted medical support without leaving home. Subscribe for more honest reviews of telehealth and online pharmacy services.